This was a very long lecture, so congratulations to all that made it to this point. And I'm sorry about that, but I really wanted to honor your request to talk about oracles and to provide an overview of how an end-to-end Plutus application works. And unfortunately, that required me to talk about lots of things. So I think because the lecture was so long, I don't want to pose specific homework. I think what you should do is try to get this demo running. So run all these executables and see whether it works for you and play a bit with the UI and issue various commands from various wallets. And then, of course, if you're ambitious, you can improve this in various directions. So you could, for example, uh, write different front ends, either in different programming languages or also in Haskell, but offering different features like a nicer graphical UI or whatever. Or you could also make the Oracle more secure. I mentioned before one way to not have to rely on one trusted party would be to have several oracles. You could imagine having 3 wallets running oracles and using different front ends. So maybe one wallet uses data from CoinMarketCap and the other 2 use data from different sources. And then in the swap contract, instead of requiring just the one UTXO, the Oracle UTXO in as input to a swap transaction, you could require all 3 oracles to be present and then decide on some way to get the value out of those 3. For example, throwing away the min and the max and just keeping the one in the middle. That, of course, would be a lot of work, but it also would make this much more realistic. So there are various ways you could improve that, or you could support more than just one token, more than just US dollar. So I just recommend playing a bit with it and modifying it if you feel like it.